Please watch Weezer. Never and with bears and people and Black Panthers. What just living? This is the world. This is New Earth. This is New Earth right here. That's why you have to forgive those animalistic instincts. It's all love. Every day, synchronicity. But this is it. This is it. This is Nirvana. See, everybody understands each other. That's me. That's me. That's where I am right now. Forever. Yep, that's it. It's up to you. We'll never feel bad anymore. Pain, nothing. Just let go. Let go of everything. All that pain, all those lies, just bullshit. Just let go. Let go. Don't look at me. Just let the music again, please. And look at that, Nirvana. Oh, see, look at the beauty and bears laughing, monkeys, kissing monkeys, everything. So beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so much.